Hi guys, welcome you all for the PM lectures. This is Raj Kamal. So today we are going to discuss a topic called construction of an involute for a circle. Let's have a question here. An inelastic string 135 mm long has its one end attached to the circumference of a circular disc of 50 mm diameter. Draw the curve traced out by the other end of the string when it is completely wound around the disc, keeping the string always tight. This is the question given for us, and we consider this the third type. So write the given data first. In the given data, we have a circular disk here. So we take it as a circular polygon and string length is given. We can take the string length. Diameter of the circular disk is given. We can take that also. From the diameter, we can find the circumference. See here, the circumference is greater than of the string length. That's why we can say it is a third type. So actually in the first type, we have only the diameter. We don't have the string length. In the second type, we have the diameter and also we have the string length. The string length is greater than of the circumference of the circle. In the third type, see here, the string length is lesser than the circumference. So here, diameter is given, string length also given. The string length is less than that of the circumference of the circle. So that's why we can say it is a third type. So okay, we can go for the problem now. So first we proceed with the diameter. So draw a circle for the radius of 25 mm. After drawing the circle, divide the circle into 8 equal half and give the name in the anti-clockwise direction. We can start from here. Give the name like this: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the eighth point, we can give it as 8. Like this, we need to give. See here, it would be like this. We can use this for a reference for drawing the angles of the circle. We can use this also. So next step, from the point 8, we need to draw a horizontal line. From the point 8, we need to draw a horizontal line like this. Use your scale, you can draw the line very properly, guys. So length of this line is the circumference of the line. So circumference of the circle, sorry. We can so draw the line for the circumference of the circle. The circumference of the circle is we can find from pi into d. Here for this problem 157.05. You can draw for 157, that's enough. We can draw a horizontal line. After drawing the horizontal line, it will be look like this. Okay. So after drawing this, from the eighth point to this, we in this horizontal line, we need to divide this horizontal line to 8 equal of, but the magnitude of this line is 157. It's difficult to divide, so we can follow the any angle inclined line method. So from this point, that means in the eighth point, we need to draw a any angle line. For any angle, you can draw this line, and the magnitude of the line is 8 centimeter, because we're going to divide this horizontal line to 8 equal of. So we can draw a inclined line for 8 centimeter and use the compass, divide for 8 equal of 10 mm. So after dividing this, you take your drafter or rolling scale. From this point, you can join it like this. You can join straight parallel lines like this. So after doing this, you need to give the name 1, 2, 3 like this. We need to give. After that, it will be look like this. So after giving this, for the given string length, we need to mark from the eighth point. We need to mark the string length in the same horizontal line. It will become here like approximately, and give the name as point P. Okay, so like this. See here. So after doing this, you need to draw a tangent line from each point on the circle. Use your drafter. Draw the tangent line from each point. You need to draw a tangent line like this. Okay, guys. So after draw these tangent lines, we need to measure from the point 1. From the point 1 to P point, you need to measure and keep the compass in the 1 point on the circle. Make an arc. Similarly, the second point, you need to measure to P point. Keep the campus in the second point of the circle and make an arc. From the third point, you need to measure up to P point and keep your campus in the third point of the circle and make an arc. Like this, we need to make an arcs. See here, and give the name as P1, P2. So after doing this, from the P point, we use to draw the curve like this. It will be joined here. Okay. So up to now, you can use the H pencil or 2H pencil. After drawing the curve, again take your HP pencil and make the curve darker. Okay, make the curve darker. So this is the final output, guys. So that's all for this section. Thank you.